Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about Robinhood, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you unlink or remove your debit card from your Robinhood account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to remove your debit card from Robinhood anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're buying and selling stocks with Robinhood, you can connect your debit card or your bank account. But if you're not using your debit card, maybe you want to go ahead and remove it so you don't accidentally charge it. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Robinhood dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Robinhood account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to remove your debit card, here on the top right, you're going to click on Account. Once you click there, you'll see a drop-down menu, and you want to click on Transfers. Once you click there, you want to scroll down until you see Linked Accounts. Here you're going to see all the bank accounts and debit cards that you've connected. So look for your debit card, and off to the right, you're going to see these two buttons, but you want to click on Unlink. Okay, quick second later, your debit card's going to disappear. There's no confirmation. It just automatically removes the debit card once you click on Unlink. So now I can no longer purchase stocks or fund my account with my debit card unless I come back in here and re-add it. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to disconnect your debit card from your Robinhood, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.